Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get money back from PayRange. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get money back from PayRange, there are two methods. The first method is request a refund in the PayRange app. So to do this, simply head over and open up your PayRange application and then inside log into your account. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner of your screen. Then once you're inside there, you'll find an option that says view transactions. Simply tap on that and then you will find the transaction history. All you gotta do is select the failed transaction and then tap on request refund or report a problem. Then choose the issue like item didn't drop, browser or drive didn't start, or machine error, and then tap on submit. What happens next is many refunds are instant, some are approved within 24 to 72 hours, and money returns to your PayRange balance, not your bank. The next method is automatic refund, which is no action needed. In some cases, machine goes offline and payment fails before vendors start. PayRange automatically refunds within a few minutes. All you gotta do is head over back and check transaction history to confirm. Next method is contact PayRange support. Use this if request refund button is not available or refund was denied or money not returned after 3 days. Simply head over back to the home, tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner of your screen and then tap on contact us. Then select help or support or visit PayRange support via the app link and then provide a date or time transaction, machine location or number, and amount charged and what went wrong. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.